He keeps licking his paws. Over and over. You tell him to stop. He stops. Then starts again. There is a reason he cannot stop, and there are things you can do. Look at this face. That golden cream fur. That tiny orange collar. Those patient eyes. If your dog is constantly licking, chewing, or biting his paws, he is not being difficult. He is not bored. He is uncomfortable. Itchy paws in dogs is one of the most common complaints veterinarians hear from dog owners. And while some cases do require professional treatment, many mild to moderate cases of paw itching can be significantly relieved at home. Today, I want to share the most effective evidence-based home remedies. But first, let us understand why it is happening, because the right remedy depends entirely on the right cause. Why are his paws itchy? There are 4 main reasons dogs develop itchy paws. Reason 1. Environmental allergies: grass, pollen, dust mites, mold. These are the most common culprits. When your dog walks outside, he picks up allergens directly through his paw pads. These allergens trigger a localized immune response, inflammation, itching, and redness between the toes. This is why many dogs with paw itching get worse in spring and fall when pollen counts are high. Reason 2. Food allergies. Some dogs react to specific proteins in their food: chicken, beef, dairy, wheat. Food allergies often show up as skin symptoms, including paw itching. Reason 3. Contact irritants: road salt in winter, lawn chemicals, cleaning products on floors. Your dog walks through these things directly with his paws. Even some fertilizers used in parks can trigger significant paw irritation. Reason 4. Yeast or bacterial infection. When a dog licks his paws repeatedly. Remedy 1. The paw soak. This is the single most effective and most underused home remedy for itchy paws, and it takes only 5 minutes. What you need: a container large enough for all 4 paws, or a shallow basin, warm water, either apple cider vinegar or colloidal oatmeal powder. The apple cider vinegar soak. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part warm water. Soak each paw for 3 to 5 minutes. Apple cider vinegar has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. It helps rebalance the pH of the skin, which discourages yeast overgrowth. Important: do not use this if your dog has any open sores or broken skin. The acid will sting. The oatmeal soak. Add 2 tablespoons of colloidal oatmeal powder to warm water. Soak paws for 5 to 10 minutes. Oatmeal contains compounds called avenanthramides that reduce inflammation and soothe itchy skin. Research published in the Journal of Drugs in Dermatology confirms oatmeal as one of the most effective. Remedy 2. Wipe the paws after every outdoor walk. This one is preventive, and it is powerful. Every time your dog comes inside from a walk, take 30 seconds to wipe his paws. Use a damp, clean cloth or unscented baby wipe. Wipe between each toe, not just the bottom of the paw. This removes allergens before they have a chance to trigger a reaction. Think of it like washing your hands after being outside. Your dog cannot do it himself. You can do it for him. For dogs with environmental allergies, this single habit alone can reduce paw itching by up to 60%, according to veterinary dermatologists. Keep a small cloth or wipe dispenser by your front door so it becomes automatic. 30 seconds. Every walk. Every time. Remedy 3. Coconut oil application. Virgin coconut oil is one of the most versatile, natural remedies for dog skin issues, and it works particularly well for paw irritation. How to apply? Melt a small amount of virgin coconut oil in your hands. Massage gently between the toes and over the entire paw pad. Allow it to absorb for a few minutes before letting your dog walk on surfaces. Why it works? Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has documented antifungal and antibacterial properties. It also creates a gentle protective barrier over the paw pad surface, and it provides immediate soothing relief to inflamed, itchy skin. Important note: Apply a small amount and distract your dog for a few minutes after to allow absorption. Most dogs will lick it off immediately, which is safe since coconut oil is non-toxic for dogs. But try to give it a few minutes to work before it disappears. Apply once or twice daily during flare-ups. Remedy 4. Baking soda paste. For targeted relief on specific itchy spots between the toes, baking soda paste is a quick and effective option. How to make it? Mix baking soda with just enough water to form a thick paste. Apply directly to the itchy area between the toes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Pat completely dry. Why it works? Baking soda has natural anti-inflammatory properties. It helps neutralize the pH of irritated skin. Remedy 5. Dietary changes. If your dog's paw itching is persistent and does not improve with topical remedies, the answer may be in his food bowl. Omega-3 fatty acids. Adding omega-3 fatty acids to your dog's diet is one of the most evidence-based interventions for chronic itchy skin. Fish oil is the most bioavailable source. Research published in Veterinary Dermatology showed that dogs supplemented with omega-3 fatty acids showed significant reduction in skin inflammation over 8 weeks. When home remedies are not enough. I want to be completely honest with you. Home remedies work well for mild to moderate cases, but there are situations where your dog needs professional care. Contact your veterinarian if the itching is severe and constant and your dog is not getting any relief. You notice significant redness, swelling, or discharge between the toes. The paw pads are cracked, bleeding, or developing sores. You can see parasites or unusual growths. The itching is accompanied by other symptoms, hair loss, lethargy, changes in appetite, or if home remedies have not provided any improvement after 2 weeks. Persistent, untreated paw infections can become serious. What starts as mild itching can develop into deep skin infections that require antibiotics or antifungal medication. Prevention is the best medicine. Now that you know the remedies, let us talk about how to prevent flare-ups from happening in the first place. Daily paw wipe after every outdoor walk. This one habit makes an enormous difference for dogs with environmental allergies. Regular paw inspections. Once a week, sit with your dog and look carefully between his toes. Check for redness, swelling, debris, hair mats that trap moisture. Early detection means early intervention. Keep the hair between paw pads trimmed. Long hair between the pads traps moisture and debris. The perfect environment for yeast to grow. A simple trim every few weeks makes a significant difference. Use dog boots in extreme conditions. In winter, when roads are salted and treated. In summer, when pavement temperatures can burn paw pads, boots provide a simple, complete barrier. Wash bedding regularly. Your dog's bedding collects dust mites, dander, and allergens. Washing weekly in hot water reduces allergen exposure significantly. Your dog cannot tell you his paws hurt. He can only show you, and when he shows you by licking and chewing and biting, he is asking for help the only way he knows how. These 5 home remedies, the paw soak, the post-walk wipe, coconut oil, baking soda paste, and dietary changes, are practical evidence-based things you can start today, not tomorrow, today, because he has already been uncomfortable long enough. He cannot fix it himself, but you can. If this helped you understand your dog's itchy paws better, give it a like, share it with every dog owner you know, and tell me in the comments, which remedy are you going to try first? I will see you in the next one.